Okay, ladies, if we are dealing with someone who is breadcrumbing us, meaning they're giving you the bare minimum, they're disappearing, and then all of a sudden they're popping back up with just enough energy to keep you emotionally hooked, I need you to understand something that goes way deeper than just mixed signals. This is someone with a severely dysregulated nervous system. When a person is dysregulated, their body is looping between fight, flight, freeze, and fawn. They want closeness, they want the connection, but the moment it starts to get real, their body interprets it as danger. Their biology literally hijacks the moment. So they pull back, they shut down, they avoid, and you're left sitting there very confused, thinking that it might just be about your worth, when really it's their nervous system running an old program. Now, here's the part that a lot of people don't want to look at. If you're staying with that behavior, if you're waiting for more, if you're hoping that breadcrumbs magically turn into the full entree, your nervous system is dysregulated too. To some capacity, you two are both mirroring each other. You're meeting on the same emotional frequency, because a woman who is regulated, and actually this applies to men too, but I'm just going to speak to my ladies right now. A woman who actually feels safe in her own body is not attracted to inconsistency. She doesn't tolerate emotional crumbs. She doesn't chase potential. And she definitely doesn't participate in someone else's avoidance cycle. Because when your system is regulated, everything about you shifts. Your standards are clear. Your boundaries are clear. Your intuition is strong. You stop chasing. You stop over-explaining. You stop waiting to be chosen, because you already chose you. And this is where the real work begins. Regulation is not about mindset. It's not about the affirmations. It's not about positive thinking. It's about body work. It's retraining the patterns that make you feel addicted to chaos, that make you feel addicted to inconsistency and emotional highs and lows. It's teaching your system what safety actually feels like, not the illusion of safety that you learned in childhood. So for me, breathwork changed everything. It gave me access to a regulated state that I really didn't even know was possible. And cacao, ceremonial grade cacao, became an ally, softening that emotional armor, opening my heart, and helping my system feel safe enough to finally break the patterns that I spent years repeating. So if you want a gentle tool to support that shift, our ceremonial Arriba Nacional cacao is a very beautiful place to start. It helps regulate your system, calm your mind, and reconnect you back to yourself naturally. And this is actually the same cacao that got me off of my anxiety and depression medication. So I'm so happy to share it with all of you. And if you're ready for that deeper work, I also offer one-on-one nervous system coaching, where we get to the root of these patterns so that you can stop attracting what hurts you and finally align with the relationships that feel consistent, grounded, and safe for you. So feel free to check the link below. And I just wanted to mention that we are having our live nervous system reset in New York City this weekend, November 22nd. So if you want more details about that, you can also message me.